reheating leftover pizza is never as good as you want it to be. If you microwave it, the pizza gets super soggy, but if you cook it in a hot oven, the pizza gets too dried out. I'm going to show you a method for reheating pizza that guarantees melty cheese and a tender, crispy crust. It's going to take longer than microwaving, but I promise it's worth it. Trust me. To start, place your slices of cold pizza on a rimmed baking sheet. Now cover that sheet tightly with some aluminum foil and then place the sheet on the lowest rack of a cold oven. Set the oven temperature to 275 degrees and let the pizza warm until the bottom is crisp and the cheese is melted 25 to 30 minutes. It takes a while, but it will be just as good, if not better, than fresh out of the oven. So no more microwaving or blasting leftover pizza in a hot oven. You now have a new technique for leftover pizza, just as good as it was when it first came out of the oven.